Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your phone so you can work reliably. Install a mobile-capable VSCode client or connect to a remote code server, then sign in and enable settings sync so your theme, extensions, and key bindings appear instantly. Grant file and network permissions to allow local editing and remote access. Once done, open the project folder or attach to the remote workspace. This immediately loads files and extensions so you can run the next steps without reconfiguring your environment. Now continue by tailoring editing and tooling for touch and small screens. Use tabbed files and split panes to view code side by side, and rely on Quick Open to jump between symbols quickly. Open the integrated terminal or an SSH session to run builds, linters, and tests. This keeps feedback local and fast. Install only essential, lightweight extensions. Language servers and remote debuggers are most valuable on mobile because they provide code completion and diagnostics without slowing the device down. Finish by saving, testing, and syncing your work. Commit and push changes using the built-in Git UI or terminal and resolve conflicts with the interactive merge tools. This preserves history. Make final comfort tweaks, font size, touch gestures, and shortcut mappings for your mobile workflow. If things go wrong and performance stalls, check your network first, then disable heavy extensions and inspect CPU and RAM usage on the host. If SSH or syncing fails, restart the remote service or re-authenticate to refresh tokens.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.